Welcome to my How Do I Solve YouTube channel. Here is another unboxing that's showing how to look at new Apple Airpods Pro with noise control, new audio control and much more. So don't spend time moving forward to unboxing. Also, participate in the AirPods Pro giveaway right now. Check out the important instructions about your new AirPods Pro, that compatible devices, supporting wireless charging and many more. Lift up the box to open it. So this is your new AirPods Pro. First, you will find the user manual card about what is in, how to use AirPods Pro with the devices. The first manual is with the instruction about the supported Apple devices like iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch. AirPods Pro safety and handling tips, Apple 1-year limited warranty summary. Now the next is AirPods Pro that you are looking for. The case wrap in amazing feeling and safe in the big slot. Also, the design of the case is wide compared to previous generation AirPods. Now let's see what is in the box next. First, you must have to check for nothing missed. Yes. Here's my extra ear tips. This is not extra actually, but required to get the best sound quality in ear with noise cancellation. Let's see check in next video. Right now, 2 other ear tips I have under this packaging. Also, new AirPods Pro comes with USB-C charging port, so you have to purchase USB-C adapter separately or use your iPhone USB cable for the charging. Also, we can use the QI certified Charing pad, we will check in the last of this video. Now let's check the sound quality in the first impression after use AirPods Pro 2, and compare the quality on AirPods Pro. Make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth turned on or unlock your iPhone. Now keep your iPhone near to 5 cm and open AirPods Pro cap. If it's not detected on iPhone, then press the back button of AirPods Pro. Otherwise press and hold on back button of AirPods Pro. Your iPhone will show AirPods Pro after reset AirPods Pro. Also, read the instruction to use AirPods Pro with force control. Keep your eye on setup card and follow the instruction as you wish. New is a new sees message with Siri. Turn on it if you wish, otherwise go with later setup. Once you have done, put both the AirPods into ear and listen to music from your iPhone or YouTube as well. Now my next test is how AirPods Pro is charging with wireless charging. My experiment is on AirPods with key wireless charging pad. You don't have to buy a separate charging pad for iPad, but we can use iPhone's wireless charging pad. So, here's my working charging pad. After that we can place our AirPods Pro charging case only or with AirPods inside it. You will see red LED light on the charging case to identify the charging started. We can charge AirPods only with the charging pad. Keep both the AirPods inside the case and start charging. Also, we can see the charging in percentage from your iPhone battery widget. To check it, your AirPods Pro must be paired with your iPhone. And check it. Here's the separate charging percentage of AirPods Pro case and AirPods Pro. Now, this AirPods Pro is in giveaway. To participate in this giveaway, comment me with important tips, your questions. Also, subscribe to this channel, and like this video. The first international giveaway deadline date is the 31st of December 2019. Also, this AirPods Pro giveaway will be renewed every 3 months. This is a New Year free gift from howtoisolve.com. Thank you guys. Let's you catch in the next video.